This review is for some Bose Ultra Open Earbuds. Okay, let's open the box and see what we get. So there we go. Now this is really important that you understand the way these work. They are a bit like ear cuff earrings. They fit round the ear and that delivers the sound. If you look carefully you can see that the ear canal is quite away from the sound deliverer. I know that's not the technical word for it, but I think that describes it. And they are open earbuds. The idea is that you can hear what's going on around you as well as the music or sounds that you're playing. A lot of people don't appreciate that and they seem to think that they're going to cancel noise. They are designed so that you can walk into a shop and hear what the shop assistant is saying. You can walk in traffic and hear the noise. So do not think of them as being noise cancelling earbuds. So inside we have the case wrapped up and you get a very short USB-C cable. I don't like short cables. You have to end up on your hands and knees connecting your device to the plug socket. But there we go. I have plenty of decent sized cables. So, really solid box. Everything feels good quality. And you open them up and they just sit on the top there. And as I said, you can see that hooks around the ear and it stays in place with a spring. They're really comfortable on and the sound is incredible. I've got a number of earbuds but nothing is as good as these. They are, the sound, the bass for something as small as that is really good. You listen to music, excellent. My talking books, you can hear every nuance. Really, really impressed with them. So, excuse me, I'll get some water. Really impressed with them. As I say, I'm really impressed with the sound of these. They're excellent. I am going to give them 5 stars, but I nearly knocked a star off. And I'll tell you why. Apart from safety instructions written in loads of languages in very, very tiny font, that's all you get in the way of instructions. There's no manual. I think for something that costs nearly 300 quid, you should have got a manual. I would like to have seen one printed, but failing that, you should have been able to download one onto your tablet so you can find out how to use it. To find the instructions or how to use it, you have to download the app and then go into tips and then go through the various tips. It's not a very good way. There's no spec or anything like that, but because the sound is so good, they still get 5 stars, but I really wish it had a manual.